Alright guys, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you fully unlock your Nintendo Wii by installing all the proper Cios's. Now this is going to be the offline version, so you're going to be installing the WADs with a WAD manager. I'm going to be leaving you two links in the pinned comment of this video. So one of them is going to be for my page, so just scroll down until you find the wallpaper of this video. There's going to be a download link. This is going to include the WADs pack and the WAD manager. You can use any WAD manager that you want. Today's example, I'm going to be using WiiMod Lite. Now for the folder. So Wii Cios's offline pack. Double click on the folder and then just copy both folders and drag and drop them to the root of your Wii's SD card. So the apps folder is going to have the WiiMod Lite app, and then the Cios's WADs. It's going to have the Cios 248, Cios 249, Cios 250, and Cios 251. So that's all you're going to need. So you're going to need the USB Loader GX. You're going to need Nintendo, or you can use WiiFlow to load up your games. So now we're going to get on the Nintendo Wii, and I'm going to show you how to install the WADs. So as you can see, I got the homebrew channel, USB Loader GX, WiiMod Lite, and I've also installed Preloader, which is the very first thing you should do when you unlock your Wii. I have videos on that if you want to go check it out. So now we're going to install the WADs. So load up WiiMod Lite, start it up. Go down to the WAD manager and you press A. A on the WSD slot. Go down to the Cios's WADs. Now you're going to press 1 to install them all in a row. Now press A to proceed. This shouldn't take too long. So last one. So there you go, they've all been installed. Press any key to continue. Press B. Now press the home button. Takes you back to the main menu of your Wii. Now we're going to load up USB Loader GX. I'm just going to be using my SD card for this, but it's going to be exactly the same thing if you're using a hard drive. So load up USB Loader GX. So press A to enable the SD card mode. So I've already downloaded the covers. So as you can see, I have two GameCube games and two Wii games. So I'm just going to load up one of each to see if the Cios's were installed properly. So first we'll do New Super Mario Bros. Wii. So there you go, the game loaded no problem. Now we're going to exit back. We're going to go back to USB Loader GX, and now we're going to load up a GameCube game. So we're going to load up Luigi's Mansion. Make sure you have a Wii Classic controller or Pro controller, or a GameCube controller for the GameCube games. So start it up. It might take a few seconds to load. Just be patient with the GameCube games. So there you go. So the game is loaded. So that is basically how you unlock your Nintendo Wii, by installing the Cios. This is the offline version. I will leave all the links you're going to need in the pinned comment of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And on to the next one.